What if aliens started cooking?
So what? AumSum is the best cook ever.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if aliens started cooking, we may start encountering extremely weird creatures in our dishes. Secondly, if aliens started cooking, some aliens may eat up everything they cook. There may be absolutely nothing left for us. Thirdly, if aliens started cooking, after having a look at the prepared dishes, professional cooks may never ever cook again. Lastly, if aliens started cooking, our kitchens may become extremely messy. What if aliens started singing?
No big deal. AumSum singing is the best.
I don't think so. No, 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 no.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if aliens started singing, everyone may start wearing huge earplugs. Secondly, if aliens started singing, some aliens may sing so loud that even our houses may start shaking. Thirdly, if aliens started singing, glasses may start getting shattered to pieces. Lastly, if aliens started singing, some aliens may actually start winning awards. What if aliens became our boss?
No ways. AumSum is the boss of everyone.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if aliens became our boss, aliens as well as the employees might never understand what each one of them is saying. Secondly, if aliens became our boss, even employees may start coming to office in spaceships. Thirdly, if aliens became our boss, all the employees may now have to wear green-colored clothes. Lastly, if aliens became our boss, employees who do not work may be shifted off to a different planet. What if aliens became cops?
No need. AumSum is already a cop.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if aliens became cops, thieves will now get caught very, very easily. Secondly, if aliens became cops, there will be no need of superheroes anymore. Thirdly, if aliens became cops, aliens might throw the thieves off to a different planet. Lastly, if aliens became cops, some thieves may escape using alien spaceships. What if aliens ran marathons?
So what? AumSum is the fastest.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if aliens ran marathons, some aliens might look pretty dangerous. Cheetahs may get extremely terrified. Secondly, if aliens ran marathons, some aliens might be so big that marathons may get over in a real jiffy. Thirdly, if aliens ran marathons, there may be a long, long queue of aliens in front of physiotherapy clinics. Lastly, if aliens ran marathons, some aliens may actually use their spaceships during marathons. What if aliens started staying in our house?
Cool. AumSum absolutely loves aliens.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if aliens started staying in our house, our entire family may pack their bags. Secondly, if aliens started staying in our house, we may have to start watching alien-related shows. Thirdly, if aliens started staying in our house may start vibrating due to the snoring of aliens. Lastly, if aliens started staying in our house, even their pets may join them.